important. So we kind of break out our time into like social events. You know, we work hard, play hard too. That's always my motto, live by it. We then do our group meetings where we really internalize the things we're thinking about, the decisions we're trying to make about our business. And then we have our guest lectures. What's really a memorable moment about group meetings is when you pair founders in DeFi or the art space together and they start to hack on ideas, right? So a really cool one is we had a founder who's focused traditionally in the art space. They come from the Web2 art space, pairing them up with a DeFi founder to totally think about new ways to engage their audience. You start to touch on these really cool topics that sometimes you're hearing on like crypto Twitter, but they become real life decisions for our founders, which is like super cool, right? So like, because we're so diverse in the founders we select for a batch, so we're not just doing the whole only DeFi accelerator, only NFT accelerator, it allows for kind of like that cross-pollinating of ideas. And that's super cool. And I think that's where you find moments of real synergies and what we talked about before of exploring these new unlocked use cases and opportunities. To also add to that, we also have guest speakers. So many of our mentors, many of the people you see on the screen are part of being guest speakers, where we talk about things where every week is a new theme. Some of the weeks are understanding where you stand at like day one. And if you were to try to raise capital, here's what VCs totally think about you, fully transparent, nothing held back. I'm sure Chase can talk to that experience. Many of our founders found that so valuable.